Morning. How y'all doing? Good morning, mommy.
Hi.
I like my suits. My well decked out and my white, my black, and my white curtain. No, remember I said my shoes in property last time and I forgot to fix it. So I had to fix it this morning when I remember. So I have to wear this today. The glue what I didn't buy for my shoes them. It works for the other shoes, so me just you're not getting done. I want it for
My shoes them up around.
anyways, good morning guys. It is Monday, June 7th.
Yes.
Monday, June 7th. Welcome to the vlog. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video.
And it's my sister's birthday.
Yes, it's my aunt's birthday. Happy birthday. I know she not watch this, but happy birthday, auntie. Kiss, kiss. You wanna kiss me?
We're running late.
I know. It's like 7 o'clock and we not go out yet. So anyways, we're gonna go work out.
The sun, so we might be working out. You know, angles.
I'm going on the floor today, stay there. You don't want to go on the floor?
Today is not the day for the floor.
Why not?
Because I hate the floor.
My girl just lazy.
Not so.
Lazy.
It takes time to get down there.
I do it,
When I go
guys.
down there, I don't want to come back up.
Okay, stay down there. Anyways, guys, so yes, we're gonna work out right now. It's like 7 o'clock. Yeah. We are running late, but that is fine. Yes, we're very late, but that is fine. We are after workout. I don't have any class today, so I'll update you guys with what I'm gonna do today when I do find out what I'm gonna do today. I know 2 things I want to do today. 3 actually I want to do today, so I'll update you guys when we get back from
I hope
working
she
out.
helps me with breakfast.
No, that's not on it. Bye, see you guys later. Look at them. Go daddy, you're strong. Woohoo! Go Milton. Yeah. He's lifting weights.
Up,
Up
down,
and down. Woohoo!
up, down, up.
Sha, what you doing? What you doing? There's nothing in your hand. There's no weights. But this man got show me. Alright guys, so we're back from exercising. Didn't do much, but we'll do something. Anyways, so I just made my bed. And I did say I was going to like tell you guys what I'm gonna do today. So pretty much today I have filming to do. I have my hair to wash. As you can see, it doesn't look the best because it won't wash. From week Mr. Meg washed this hair and I know, so I need to wash it. I also have the videos to edit, so yeah, I have all of those to do. So yes, just come with me throughout this lovely day.
So,
Butter, butter.
it's one.
Alright guys, so that is gonna be it for my to-do list. Let me show you guys what is on my to-do list for the day. Alright, so my targets for today is to wash my hair, film video, edit the videos, and I have about, I think the video I'm going to film I need to edit. I also have this video because this is going to be a day in my life video. I have that to also edit, and I have a church video to edit, plus I need to do a gaming video for my other channel. So I have about 4 videos or so to edit, and then I need to set up my classes for the week. I need to fix my shoes area, but that will be in like another video. These two will be in another video because I'm doing like a closet clean out. So you guys will see that in another video near the summer or so. So yeah, so that's what's on my list for today. So let's just hang this up. Right, there we go. Yay. So yes, that is done. Room is actually clean, pretty clean. So I need to like empty this bin though, but we need to like get rid of some of the rubbish outside. But oh yes, this was my fit for the exercise. As I said, I didn't have on this Crocs, but yeah, I had on a sneakers. But yeah, this is the fit. Just a tights and this, what do you call this, football shirt, whatnot. Yeah, my mirror needs to clean though. Where's Shay when you need her? Yes. So guys, I cleaned the window. I cleaned the mirror. Now we're looking cute. Yeah. Anyway, so I just cleaned the wind. I just cleaned the mirror with this Glass Plus thingy. Wait, pause the video. So 66% of you guys that are watching my videos are not subscribed. Like, you're watching, so why not subscribe? So pause the video and just subscribe right now. Like, thank you. Let me rest you guys on the laptop. So somebody actually asked, like, I think in the comments, for me to do like a video of how I edit my videos. I'm thinking probably, I don't know, I'm going to see if I can find a screen recorder for my laptop, and then I can do that. But right now I can't, because the only thing I can like film, I think, is like when I'm in game mode. Let me try. All right, so the only thing I can actually film is in game mode. So if I'm not playing like a game, I can't film it. So that's what I normally use for my Sims, but I'm gonna need to film that, and I'm thinking like, well, I have so many videos to edit today, I could actually do that. So I need to get myself a editor while I'm here. So I'm gonna do that. Not an editor, a screen recorder. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm finished with my me look a hot mess. Anyways, I'm finished with my setting up of glasses. I did all of those, so I'm gonna take that off, and then right now I'm gonna have breakfast. So yeah, let us go.
Mine does my day off. Mine does my lazy day, not day off, lazy day.
Everybody is there Monday. Alright guys, so I'm in my bathroom and right now I'm gonna like wash my hair and stuff. Oh yes, I just wanted to show you guys the upgrades that I had. I know the last time I was washing my hair I did tell you guys I'm using Tresemme. I've stopped and I'm gonna be using this is the first time I'm gonna use this one. Once I used the olive oil one, but it dried my hair, so I'm gonna try this one, as in not this African Pride one, the other one, the brown olive oil. I remember my name. Anyway, so the Tresemme one, I realized something. When I creamed my hair before I started using that olive oil one, I was using it and like my hair was like shedding, and I stopped using it and just use the thingy, the other. I'll put it here. I don't remember what it named, but anyways, I was using that, and then it grew, but it was drying, so it was very dry. So I started back to use the Tresemme and realized my hair is actually shedding again. So I'm gonna see if it's really the Tresemme that's shedding my hair. So I'm gonna stop using it. So I've actually, like, I finished the bottle of shampoo. The conditioner is not finished, but the shampoo is finished, because if y'all can't see, but yeah, that is happening to my hair right now. And I want to see if it's actually the Tresemme doing it, because my hair weird. So I'm gonna wash it with that for a while and see, and then I'll know if that's what has been causing it. Alright guys, I'm finished with my hair, so I'm going to dry it and moisturize it. So alright guys, so my hair is now washed. I think I'm gonna like, I don't even know how I want to do it for the video or whatever, but this is my hair at the moment. It one cream, it has so much that, you know, it kind of look that bad right now because it actually just blow dry, but as you can see, yeah, full of oil. But anyways, that is my hair right now. Don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna catch it up or what, but yeah. I guess more cool, kind of broadish, whatever, but because it wants cream and I ain't gonna sit and flatten it all. So just the ends I did. It's fine. Alright guys, so I just finished filming the video I did tell you guys about. I think you guys will be seeing it before you see this vlog. So yes, if you haven't watched this summer bucket list, you should go and watch it like right now, because it was nice. So yes, and then I was kind of doing partially the video coming after this, which is like editing, how I edit and how I like create my thumbnails. I haven't done the editing part yet, because I'm gonna do that when I'm editing the summer bucket list video, to show like what I do when I'm editing and, you know, all of that. So I didn't want to do, I don't know if I'm gonna like, it depends on how long the thumbnail video is. I might do it as a separate video and done, like, you know, just makes sense. More content, more views, all of that. So I might do that. It's kind of set to rain right now, and I like when the rain falls, right? Because we need the water, right? But I don't like when it comes with thunder and the internet going and the light going, and it seems every time when the rain falls, my ear looks shiny, and it is like I don't know why people do that, but anyways, my face also looks shiny, so probably it's just the camera. Anyways, as I was saying, I don't like when the rain falls because of that, but I love when the rain falls. Does that make sense? Yeah. But when the rain falls, it gives me water. That's the pro. But the con to it, it's probably sometimes take away the internet. It takes away like the electricity. Yeah. Look at her forcing the sleep. Go to your bed. Sleep.
Come. Go and sleep. Better you sleep soon. Go and sleep. Bed. I mean, no, you want to sleep.
Of course.
So you so much
Can you hear my yard?
Put on the piece or something and go sleep. Bed.
Hi guys. So I totally forgot about but anyways we're at church. Church right now. So yeah. Good morning guys. So it is actually Tuesday morning, but I forgot to like end out the video yesterday, so I'm doing that today. So pretty much yesterday, I think after I left you guys, what else did I do? I edited videos. I did edit 2 videos, so I can take that off. So I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So I edited videos and I had dinner, watched some TV with my dad, and then we had prayer meeting online, so I went to that, and then after that I actually just got ready for bed and then just went to bed. I forgot to like video all of that. I think I showed you guys when I was at the prayer meeting, but yeah, didn't really show much. So yeah, I'm just coming out to end the vlog. So let me show you guys like how the targets list look for yesterday. All right, so I did get pretty much all of that done yesterday, so I have this done because I did do 2 videos, so I think I deserve to get that done. So I'm gonna be doing like this and this today, but I won't be showing you guys in this vlog because this vlog is a Monday's vlog. So we're gonna call this a day. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, click the notification bell, go ahead and share this video with your friends, and go ahead and comment something down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.